contenders!
The Defence Ministry has once again extended the emergency powers for urgent revenue procurements through fast-track process till 31st December, that are accorded to the three armed services and the integrated defence staff. Officials have said that the delivery period for such procurements will be within 1 year from the date of signing the contract, and will result in faster procurement of spares and various types of ammunition. Russia and France are now being seen as the top two contenders for the 43,000 crore rupees Project 75I of the Indian Navy, under which 6 advanced conventional submarines are to be built at an Indian shipyard. France seeks to win this auction, especially after Australia cancelled the $66 billion submarine deal with France. Russia has offered its Amur-class submarines, and will demonstrate its novel advanced air-independent propulsion system in mid-2022, and discussions regarding the project will also take place during the upcoming visit of Defence Minister Rajnath Singh to Russia next week for the India-Russia 2+2 ministerial-level meeting. We have already seen high-level meeting between the Indian and French sides in the past 2 months, and a diesel-electric version of the Barracuda nuclear submarine which is already in service with the French Navy has been offered to India, and being from the same lineage as the Scorpion-class submarines that are currently being built in India, the French can be seen as the strongest contender. The head of Russia's Rostec Corporation has said that he has discussed with foreign customers on the possible deliveries of the Russian Su-75 single-engine fighter jet, and Russia has started formulating proposals for the potential customers. He also said that the Su-75 has implemented a modular principle for the first time, and it can be configured in the optimal way for a specific customer. Russian Defense Ministry has already said that countries like India, China, United Arab Emirates and Vietnam are among the potential buyers of the new single-engine stealth fighter jet. Hindustan Aeronautics and New Space Research and Technologies have added 2 new components in the CATS program, known as the CATS OMCA, Optionally Manned Combat Aircraft, and CATS HALE, High Altitude Long Endurance Drone. As seen in the picture, the CATS OMCA is a project of converting obsolete fighter jets like MiG-21 and MiG-27 into drones, while the high-altitude long-endurance drone seems to be a jet-powered high-speed multi-mission remotely piloted aircraft system that can perform wide area surveillance and time-sensitive strike missions over an altitude of over 50,000 feet. Bharat Forge Limited has announced that it has incorporated a new defence subsidiary known as the Kalyani Strategic Systems Australia Private Limited, that will undertake activities relating to defence and aerospace industry in Australia, and will explore new business opportunities and diversifying the existing product portfolio in the defence and aerospace industry. Hindustan Aeronautics has collaborated with the US firm ZeroAvia to integrate the ZA600 zero-emission engines on the Dornier 228 airframe. ZeroAvia will work closely with Hindustan Aeronautics and aircraft regulators during this project to ensure that the aircraft meets both safety and operational requirements. The Indian Army has set up 3 integrated aviation brigades, 2 of which are along the line of actual control with China, that will ensure a coordinated and localized control of the aviation assets. All drone operations have also been moved to the Army's Aviation Corps. The Aviation Corps is set to see a huge expansion, as the force is focusing on induction of light combat helicopters, Apache helicopters, light utility helicopters, Predator drones and Heron-armed UAVs.